This is Adria's Active Pro campervan. It's on a Renault base and it's a sort of VW camper that sort of reminds one of 40 years ago, except for the price. 74,500 euros. Renault traffic base, and this is what it looks like inside. Now, it is slightly improved on the VW camper that I had from Malibu, which was a 1992 vehicle. It didn't have such a nice fridge and such a deep fridge at that, so I like the fridge. I do also like the furniture, to be quite honest. That's quite cute. That looks more like a cup than a sink, but I suppose you've got to have a sink somewhere. That's a type of model, which is the first time I've actually seen it. But this is, you feel it's tough, and that's good quality. Let's have a look what they've got down here. Proper drawers, and this comes out like that. And they've got something down there. Could be the electro block, or it could be, oh no, it's a battery, sorry. And so you've got access to your battery. And back here, there you go, it's a sort of a wardrobe. Right, but okay, that is more or less it. It's got a big tent in the roof, and it's got a table. Now, I do appreciate, as I always say, it's horses for courses, but I'm trying to think what you could do for this for 74,000. Okay, Webasto, diesel heating, that makes sense, because you've got a diesel tank anyway. You've got your USB points here also. That's good. There's an Adria press conference going on. That's why there's somebody speaking in the background. Tulle awning, and that's it. Looking all the way around. Now, so horses for courses, but I'm rather pushed to see the application for that type of money for what it is. I do appreciate it's got a low roof. They might want a thing with a low roof, but I would say have a look at the Bürstner. The Bürstner version is even cheaper, but it's far better equipped in my opinion. So if you found that interesting, thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.